Hi, my name is Alexandra and my favorite Venetian location in Boca is the Mission Bay. Today I'm getting my manicure done for the holiday party.
Venetian always has a large collection of great colors to choose from. So let me choose my favorite. I love the atmosphere here, it's so beautiful and customer service is great. I got the gel manicure in dark red. I love it so much. I'll definitely come back in 2 weeks for a new style and color. The Venetian Nail Spa Experience is always so great. I got my gel pedicure done. I love it so much. It's so relaxing and chill. I can drink some wine and enjoy. It's so good.